Hi, Spy Ninjas. PZ9 is still living with us, and he's in our bathroom right now. So does what is
Found
it?
this in PZ9's backpack. This is the keylogger. We stole it from PZ715. PZ9 has it now?
He must have stole it from you. Is he trying to get our passwords to our YouTube channel?
Maybe we shouldn't trust him.
Regina should be the one who talks to him. Yeah.
You're his sister. Go in that bathroom right now. Confront him.
What if he's pooping?
I don't care. Throw him off the toilet. Just kidding. Don't do that. That'll make a mess. I don't know if we can trust him anymore. Wait a second. Did you even wash your hands?
No.
Oh, PZ9, you have some explaining to do.
You stole this from us.
We found this in your fanny pack.
You're stupid around my fanny? Very disrespectful.
I was trying to give you your phone back. That's why I was in there. I wasn't snooping.
You guys can trust me. I'm not a PZ member anymore.
Come with me, PZ9. You're the only family I have, so we can't keep secrets from each other. Why did you have the keylogger?
Okay, you're so annoying. The keylogger is a prototype that I took from Project Zorgo. When I was getting back Chad's ninja gadgets, I just happened to stumble across it.
Are you being truthful?
Yeah, and I had to hide it so that the security cameras wouldn't pick it up.
How convenient. I don't know if I believe you, PZ9.
Come on, I gave you what you asked for. If you don't mind me, I have some unfinished business.
Too many dragon fruit refreshers? Come on, Spy Ninjas, come here. PZ9 just told me he took the prototype from Project Zorgo when he was taking Chad's Spy Ninja gadgets.
So PZ9 told you that this is not the same one that Daniel has? Daniel, let's see yours.
Put it in my sling right here. I don't think it's in here.
See, I think he did steal this from you.
Oh, geez.
Oh, can you look in there?
Daniel, it's not in here.
PZ9 stole this from Daniel?
Wait.
He's living in our house and stealing from us?
V, you know me. I must have put it somewhere else.
Yeah, you do lose things all the time.
It's got to be around here somewhere. He can play the drums so well. Why would he be a
Why would he
stealer as
steal
well?
that? When you're in a band together, you don't steal from each other. That's the rule.
Your guys' logic is flawed. I don't trust this PZ9 character. I think we should just remove him from our house.
I think we should give him the benefit of the doubt until we prove that he really did steal this from Daniel. Because Daniel could have just misplaced his.
Okay, you're right. Daniel, please go look for this then.
Okay.
The old PZ9, he definitely would have taken it, but the new one kind of sounds convincing, V.
My phone. I just got an alert. The DNA results are in.
We're gonna find out if he's my brother.
Remember, Regina and I took a little piece of hair from PZ9's beard comb. We sent it in. The FedEx truck is delivering it to our house.
Oh, come on, it's so close.
I know, it's coming.
Okay, come on, I want to figure out if PZ9's my brother or not. Oh, he's
Wait,
right there.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. All right, I'll see you later. What's up? You still got those pickles?
Pickles? What pickles? The FedEx truck just passed our house. It's going off course.
Oh, we gotta find that FedEx truck, V. Okay,
Wait, what FedEx truck?
Shh. The DNA results if Regina and PZ9 are actually related.
they're going away with the results. We
What
gotta go
happened?
get them.
I just saw PZ9. He was on the phone with someone when he just got out of the bathroom.
Does he have something to do with this?
Did he hack this FedEx truck?
Come on, V, let's go find the truck.
Keep PZ9 here in the safe house.
Until you get the results of the DNA, right?
Yeah, I mean, do whatever you have to do. Lock him in a house, tie him up.
In a house?
In a house, in a room, whatever. You know what I mean? Just keep an eye on him.
What if the results show that he is your brother or your sister or whatever he is? I've got lots of fun activities we can keep him busy with to make sure he doesn't leave.
Go get the
We have a
results.
serious mission. These results are very important. We are gonna find out if PZ9 really is mi hermano, my brother.
Okay, we're pretty close here. Wait, stop. I think it should be right here. No envelopes, no hacker. Wait, V.
There's some figure there.
I think that's Dax.
Is it? Why is he just sitting alongside the thingy thing?
Let's go ask him. The thingy thing is a wall, right?
Yeah.
Dax?
Hey, Dax.
Hey, Spy Ninjas.
What are you doing?
How come you're sitting in the road like this?
I was on my delivery route, and then a hacker came and totally got me.
Oh no!
This hacker, he had like all these like tubes and wires coming out of his mask. He was totally tubular.
Yeah, I've seen that hacker. That is the new upgraded hacker, Dax. Have you heard of that?
No.
This hacker, he's really strong. That's probably why he took you down.
I did the best I could. He totally took my FedEx car.
Your entire car?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get fired again.
Oh man. Dax, We're looking for this very important package. Do you know where that truck went or the FedEx car?
He totally kept going down this road here. I'm glad you guys found me quickly.
Did he also take your CWC bandana?
No, it was just getting really stinky because I didn't
Ew.
wash it.
Did you wash this shirt yet?
No.
No.
Come by sometime. V does my laundry. He could do
Okay.
yours.
Did you just offer free laundry service for me?
We are already letting PZ9 stay at our house.
How is PZ9 able to stay at your safe house and like I'm not?
Apparently, he's Regina's brother.
Yeah.
Well, it's not like we chose our parents, so.
Okay, we're gonna go get the package, right?
Let me know when you guys find it.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Dax.
Good luck.
Hey, PZ9, what you doing?
I got a pickle.
Oh, you tickle my pickle. Isn't that what they say?
Yeah. So where are V and Regina? They go on a mission? Come on, that's what I'm meant for.
They're getting pizza for us later.
Well, I'll meet up with them or something.
No.
I gotta get out of
I
here.
think, no, you don't need to get out of here. We should do some fruit chopping with some ninja gadgets.
You've done it before.
But Project Zorgo erased your memory, those jerks. So you don't even remember doing that, do you?
Well, I'm probably good at it.
Oh, you think so? Okay, well, let's go find out. Follow me. I'm so excited that you brought these ninja gadgets back, PZ9. We should test these out against some fruit and some soda, like the good old days.
Since you don't remember fruit chopping, I'll teach you. Watch and learn.
Oh,
okay?
geez, Daniel.
You gotta for this one over
I don't think this is a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, Daniel, you got a broken arm, buddy. I don't know.
A little broken arm never hurt anybody.
Oh, Daniel. Oh, jeez, dude.
I'm gonna go first and give you guys a little bit of training just to show you how it's done. But Daniel, since your arm's broken, why don't I give you the camera here? It's been forever since I've used this sword. Might be one of the biggest blades that I've ever had in my collection. I think this thing will chop through 2 sodas. No diggity, no doubt. PZ9, you film some slow-mo on your phone. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Better back up, Daniel.
3, 2, 1.
Slice! What do you think about that?
Extremely sharp and really exciting.
Where's that other crush?
Right here.
Whoa!
You spiralized it.
Wow, how did that happen? With all of my fruit chopping past, I've never done anything like that before. That's crazy.
That was fun. I gotta get going though.
Whoa, hold on. Let's get you a sword and have you chop something.
Just real quick though, okay? Cause I gotta get going.
Oh yeah, it'll be real quick. Come on.
I can't believe the hackers took Dax's truck.
I know.
Did you see how sad he was?
Maybe we should call Chad and Daniel just to make sure that PZ9 is not part of this whole truck FedEx heist.
And we have to warn them that if a FedEx truck comes to the safe house, it could be hackers.
Yeah.
Oh, my phone. Oh, it's V.
Who?
Hey man, show me some of those baton moves.
Okay.
V, what's up?
You won't believe what just happened. Me and Regina ran into Dax.
Dax said that the new upgraded hacker, he was the one that took the FedEx truck.
What's your plan though? What if you run into that upgraded hacker? He's gonna be so strong.
What are you gonna do?
Don't worry about it. Me and Regina, we'll figure out a plan. Keep an eye on PZ9, okay? I'm not quite sure. He might be in on it. He might know about the truck hijacking.
Don't worry, we got PZ9 distracted right now. He's practicing his baton. We're gonna have him do some fruit chopping out here. It's gonna really slow him down. He's not gonna leave him.
Okay, keep me updated. Bye.
Bye.
I lost control and then my scooter kept going and I kept going.
Oh my gosh, let's just walk the scooters then. Right around here, we're tracking the hacker with the DNA that will prove if PZ9 and Regina are actually related.
Are we siblings? I don't know. I do want a sibling, but I don't know if I want PZ9 as a sibling. He definitely makes the room all stinky. Oh, there's a hacker.
He has a box and an envelope. I think that's the DNA results. They're in the envelope.
It's just one hacker. I think we can take him on.
Okay.
I'll distract him. You grab the envelopes.
All right.
Hey, hacker! Hey, well, yeah. I have a question. Do you know where the llamas are?
Llamas? There's no llamas around here.
Yeah, I heard there was a llama contest
Wait,
parade.
you look a little familiar.
Familiar? What are you talking about?
Are you one of those spy ninjas?
What is a spy ninja? That
Wait a
sounds
minute.
weird. I'm not one of those. What?
Wait a minute. Thought I saw something down there. Stop out. I got an important mission to do.
Bye! Good job, V!
Let's hide here. Okay. Just making sure we lost the hacker.
This is the envelope that's gonna reveal if PZ9 is my brother.
But which one?
We gotta look
so
through
many
all of them. This one's empty.
So this one.
What?
This one too. Oh no.
Are they all empty?
They're all empty. Every single one.
Wait, this was a diversion?
That hacker. Did he trick us?
Oh, we're so dumb.
Oh,
We gotta gotta catch up to that hacker again.
Wait, check my tracker. It's moving. Let's go follow it.
Let's go.
Wow. Look at that. I'm so glad you brought this back to us. We're gonna test your abilities to hit the moving target, PZ9. I'm gonna toss you some bananas here. You gotta slice them through the air.
Sounds good enough.
Ready for some banana time?
Let's try it.
3, 2, 1, go! You chopped that baby in half! Yeah! Talk about a banana split!
It is actually a lot easier to just eat them normally.
But this is a way more fun way to eat bananas, right?
Yeah. This is fun and all, but I really just gotta get out of here, okay? Thanks for the snack.
Yeah. Where are you going, dude?
I gotta pick up a package. Come on.
Wait, hey, no, don't go, no.
There's a package right there.
Oh.
What does it say?
It's addressed to someone though, so I don't think we should open it.
Dax says that it's illegal to open up other people's mail.
We can't do that, so we gotta just keep on tracking that hacker. Looks like it's north. Let's head north. Another package! What? Wait.
Why are they just leaving them on the floor?
Yeah, wait. Is Dax around? Did he drop his packages? He might ruin our mission.
Tends to do that too.
Let's keep heading north here.
What if I just hit one more thing and you'll stay and watch?
A watermelon!
I gotta see this.
Well, no problem. I am right-handed, but my boy Chad is left-handed, and I've been hanging out with him a lot, so maybe I know how to be left-handed now.
I'm also left-handed too.
He is. Only like 10 to 15% of people are left-handed.
We're unique.
And you're normal. What do you got there, Daniel?
But today I will be unique.
Whoa! Are you sure you can handle that, Daniel?
With my right hand, definitely. With my left hand, things could go horribly wrong.
Oh gosh. PZ9, you and I better stand really far away since Daniel's gonna be swinging this with his left hand.
Yeah, that's really sketchy. But Daniel, please don't let go.
I'm gonna stand way back here just in case.
Hopefully my grip is strong with my left hand.
3, 2, 1! That's pretty good!
A little sliver, but that counts.
I think maybe he should just go again.
I just stay here and watch the show, PZ9.
Yeah!
He might actually be a left-handed person after all.
Hey!
Yes, I can fit in now.
Oh, come on, harder than that. Yeah! Oh, Daniel.
That looks really tasty.
How is it? Good chopping, Daniel.
Nobody makes watermelons like me.
Let me see your face. Oh, I almost saw it.
It's not the sweetest watermelon I've ever had, but it was one of the sweetest chops.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
I'm gonna take this to go though.
Oh, hold on. You can't go just yet. Yeah. Follow me.
Wait, I think I found the truck. It's right there. Is that Dax's FedEx truck?
No, wait. He said it was a car.
Oh yeah, he's not allowed to drive those big trucks anymore.
All right, I'm gonna head out.
Daniel, V and Regina are getting the DNA results to see if he really is Regina's brother. We can't let him leave until they get the results. Oh, PZ9, we haven't yet tested out your stun baton right there.
Oh, it's really low charge. I have been using it a bunch and I haven't charged it up.
Well, then I've got a fantastic idea. Follow me. Have you met our good friend, Smiley?
I think I've seen him around, but he's gained some weight since last time.
He'd like to see you try out that stun baton. He's pretty curious about it.
Think about how cool it'll be.
Yeah, think about it.
Think
about it.
Okay, well, I think yes, I'll do it.
Sweet. Think you can handle this?
Yeah, I've handled worse than a water balloon.
That's true. You fought me before. Ho!
Oh, calm me down.
3, 2, 1. Was amazing! Wow!
Nice!
Well, there you go. Now it's just a regular baton.
What's the tracker say, V?
Maybe 3 blocks away.
Okay.
Going this way.
The tracker is kind of faulty, though. Remember, we just ran into Dax. He didn't have the packages.
Yeah, this tracker thing might be a little delayed. I gotta update my software, man.
Yeah, get on it, girl.
PZ9, wait. Have you ever seen one of these before?
Oh my goodness.
Crossword.
A crossword puzzle.
There's all kinds of trivia and stuff, and you fill this out. It's a ton of fun. It takes
Yeah, I got
it takes a lot of time. I think you should stay here for a while and fill one of those out. Try it, it's fun, man.
I'll take a stab at it.
While you do that, Daniel and I are gonna try the safe over here. We get to try this once every 24 hours. What's inside, apparently, is the secret to defeating Project Zorgo. V went on a mission, took her 3 months to get this safe from Project Zorgo headquarters. What should we try?
So some guy named
Name Hacker.
This
Whoa.
could be it. 1357, because it's the first 4 odd numbers.
Those hackers sure are pretty odd. Let's try that here.
Hey, what's a 5-letter word for talking deliriously?
Crazy? Anyway.
Okay.
You ready, Daniel?
Yeah.
1, 3, 5, 7, enter.
Incorrect. Try again.
Oh
in
man, that's
24
not
hours.
it. Okay. Dang it. Keep leaving comments down below, guys, if you think you know the passcode to the safe. We'll get this open eventually.
All right, Regina, I've been dying to ask you this. Since you're sharing a room with PZ9, what is he like?
He's a clean but stinky dude, though. He's smelling up the place. I don't know.
That doesn't make any sense.
I think he sweats a lot, and he snores really loud.
Oh my gosh.
So I barely get sleep at night. Oh, I don't really like living with him.
Well, you know, Chad kind of snores a little bit too. Maybe that's why he likes PZ9 so much.
Oh, there's a hacker.
Oh my gosh.
Here, Chad, I'm over it. It's a little difficult.
Come on, man. Hey, where are you going?
Don't leave it.
You guys have been asking me to stay for so long already.
Your favorite video game, I remember on your phone you had Overwatch. And even for Halloween, you dressed up as Hansi.
It's Hanzo Shimada at your service.
So what did you think about this announcement about Overwatch 2 coming out?
Tell us all about it, man. We're so curious.
How can Blizzard already go on to developing a version 2 of their game when their first one's not even close to being finished?
That's what I was thinking.
Developers, I don't know what they're thinking.
Those developers.
They just released it on a console,
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden they're gonna release a new one.
You know what? Instead of playing Overwatch, you could play Spy Ninja Network. Check this out. It's an app that us Spy Ninjas developed so all you guys can help us hack Project Zorgo. Now that you're not on Project Zorgo's side anymore, there's tons of little mini games, little tools that you can use. Like there's one called Hack Project Zorgo. There's one called Smash the Hacker Mask. So every week we're gonna start shouting out the Spy Ninjas who help us the most and build up the most points. So shout out to these Spy Ninjas right here who this week did a really good job of helping us battle Project Zorgo. So all you Spy Ninjas who are using the Spy Ninja Network, thank you so much. At the end of this video, I'm gonna put a link at the bottom of the screen down here, a little clickable circle that's gonna look like this. You'll be able to click that at the end of this video to download this for free.
Very close. Whoa, wait, there's a hacker. Wait, who is that?
I've seen the hacker. That's PZ715, the one that got upgraded.
What? That's what he looks like now?
Yeah, his mask looks insane. He looks buffer than last time.
What kind of upgrade is this?
All I know is he's really angry now. Last time I saw him, he was like crushing watermelons with his bare fists.
Not with a ninja gadget?
No, he's faster, he's stronger, he's a better hacker.
Well, he's a better replacement than PZ9.
And remember PZ715? He was pretty like nice sometimes, and
Yeah.
I never seen him fight. He could fight now.
So now that he's super dangerous, how are we gonna get the envelopes now?
We gotta be careful, or else we could get crushed like ants. I'm gonna take one for the team. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
You're the distractor, and then I'll go and I'll sneak the grabber.
Yeah, that worked last time. Spy Ninjas give us a thumbs up for good luck.
Yes.
I got a plan. I'm gonna distract PZ715 with one of those boxes.
Oh, good idea.
Okay, are you ready for this?
Oh, good kick.
Wait a minute, what the heck was that now? Are they playing a trick on me?
It's right there. I'm gonna go grab it.
Where did this come from anyways?
Wait a minute, what is this right here? DNA. Good job. I got it. Oh no! Hey, stop! Stop! Oh my gosh! Regina, no! Stop! Wait, did you kick him, Regina?
No! This happened before, V. He falls asleep at random moments, but he gets up really quickly.
Oh gosh, go! Oh no! He's getting up! No! Oh my gosh, let me go!
Give me those results, I need those.
Let go of the V, and I'll give you the results.
Put it in my hand.
Come on, let's just get out of here.
Okay, let's go! Oh my gosh, Regina, thank you so much for doing that. But what about the results? That's what the whole entire mission was for today.
Don't worry, V. Look what I got right here.
Are these the results? How did you get it?
Well, let me explain. I put this pen in the envelope, twisted it in there so I could take this out.
Whoa, very sneaky. Good spy ninja skills.
Thanks, I'm improving my spy skills.
This is a huge moment. Let's call Chad and Daniel.
Come on, let's just open it.
Oh, let's just call them. We gotta do this as a family.
Oh, fine.
V, what's up?
Chad, we got the results.
It wasn't easy, though.
Oh, nice. Maybe we should open the results right now.
We're gonna open it up.
Are Regina and PZ9 brother and sister? Open those results.
What does it say, V?
After After extensive testing, we've determined Regina and Melvin are—
Watch out behind you! Behind you!
Give me those screws off.
No, we gotta go!